Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
So, all of you ready with the tables? Table 1
Yes.
to 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All are confident? Yes?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So, Achud, he know many tricks on table 8. So, let me start with Achud. Achud, ready? 8 into 7.
Wait.
8 into 7.
56. Ma'am, 56.
Ma'am, your video is
Ma'am, 56. Ma'am, your video and audio. Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Ma'am, your video was stuck.
Ma'am, and we can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, I don't think you can hear us.
The host.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, children, we were discussing about multiplication table of 8. So, yes, Achud, did you get time to study? 8 into 8.
Ma'am, you asked 8 into 7.
8 into 7, but that was long time before. So, I changed one number, 8 into 8. 8 into 8.
64.
64, yes, 64. Ameya, 8 into 7?
Ma'am, 56.
8 times 7.
Ma'am, you asked 8 into 7.
Huh?
Ma'am, 8 into 7 you have asked.
No problem, you can say again.
Ma'am, 56.
Yes, 8 into 7 is 56, but I asked him 8 into 8, he said 64. Asad, 8 into 6. 8 into 6.
48.
48, yes. Janvi, 9 times 6.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. 9 times 6.
54.
54, very good. Catherine, 8 times 4. 8 times 4.
32.
Huh?
32.
Yes, 32. Pranav, 6 into 6.
36.
36, very good. Adira, 7 into 7.
49.
49. Arjun, 8 times 3.
8 times 3, 24.
24. Hale, 6 into 4. 6 fours are.
24.
6 4.
24.
Yes. Okay, so children, we will continue with our problems in math workbook. Then we will come back. So, Achut will teach us some tricks on table 8. Yes, Achut? Will you?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, please take your page number 26. Math workbook, page number 26.
Ma'am, I have done page number 26.
Yes. Now, please take question number 16. What's the answer you got for question number C? Do you get? I think we have done only question number 16, A and B. Yes? We have completed question number A and question number B. What's the answer question number B? 4/5 of a kilogram. 4 by 5 of a kg. Yes, Yuvan? Please tell me the answer. Question number B. 16th question B. 4/5 of a kilogram. What's the answer?
Ma'am, 800.
800 gram. Yes, children. All of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we will start with question number C. Page number 27. Page number 27, question number 16C. Yes, so Prarthana, can you read question number C? Prarthana? Hazel?
Ma'am,
Question
I need to read the question.
Yes, yes.
2 by 8 of a kilogram in grams.
Yes, 2 by 8 of kilogram. Kilogram. We have to convert that into gram. Okay, so children, how to find the fraction of a number? Sri Rukda? How to find the fraction of a number? What we have to do?
Ma'am,
To find the fraction of a number?
we should multiply.
You are not audible.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
Yes.
you hear me?
Multiply.
We have to multiply. So here, children, instead of this of, what you will write?
The multiplication.
So 1 kilogram is equal to how many gram?
1000.
1000.
1000 grams.
Okay, so 1000 grams. So find out the answer, children. 2000 divided by 8. All of you please take your rough book and do the division and find out the answer. Dash gram. Don't say the answer now. Please wait. You had to do the calculations in the rough book. 2000 divided by 8. Yes, Atar? Did you get the answer?
Ma'am, I get the answer.
I can see some children are not trying at all. 2000 divided by 8. Yes, Adar, tell me. We cannot divide 2, so we will take 20. How many times 8 can be taken from 20? You are muted. Why you cannot unmute? Huh? Yes, children. Tell me how many times? Yes.
2 times.
Yes, we can take only 2 times. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So 20 minus 16, we have 4. Bring down this 0. 40. Now tell me, 40 divided by 8.
5.
5. Yes, 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So we had to bring down this 0. You had to place it here. So what's the answer? 250 gram. 250 gram. So 2 by 8 of a kilogram is equal to 250 grams. Yes, children, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Like the same question we have done question number A and B. So question number D, all of you please read and do now alone.
Ma'am,
We have completed question number A, B and C.
Ma'am, I have finished.
Yes, Yuvan, can you read question number D?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
5 by 8 of a kg.
Yes, 5 by 8 of a kilogram. Okay, do alone children, I will give you 2 minutes. 5 by 8 of a kilogram.
Ma'am, we finished it. You give this as a homework.
Homework, but those who have not done, let them do now. Others, please wait. Have you completed, Amaya? Very good. 5 by 8, again you have to multiply by 1000. 1 kilogram is equal to how many gram? 1000.
1000 grams.
Yes, 1000 gram. How many got this answer? Can you raise your hand? Yes, many have completed. Yes, Stringa, what we have to do here? 5 by 8 5 by 8. Instead of
Into
multiply. 1 kilogram is equal to
1,000 grams.
1000 gram. So 5 into 1000. What is 5 into 1000? 5,000
By
divided
1,000 by
8 dash gram.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
What's the answer?
625 grams.
25 grams.
625. 625. Yes, we can check whether our answer is correct or wrong. So 5,000 divided by 8. So 8, 6, 48. 50 minus 48 is 220. Then 8 2s are 16. Yes, your answer is correct. So 5 times 8 is 40. 625 gram. Let me see how many got this answer. Raise your hand. How many got this answer? Yes? Okay, many of you. Yes, Catherine, not completed? Yes, Catherine, not completed?
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, next 600 I read.
Wait, Adidev.
Ma'am, I was doing along with you.
Okay, so I hope there is no doubt here. Yesterday I told you to do this as homework. Okay, question number 17. Yes, Adidev, can you read? In a mathematics text.
In a mathematics test of 100 marks, Seema scored 3/4 of the maximum marks. How many marks did she score?
Okay, in a mathematics test of 100 marks, Seema scored 3/4 of the maximum. 3/4 of the maximum mark. So what is the maximum mark, children? 100. Okay, so if she's scored full mark, we will say what? She scored full mark. It means 4 by 4. 4 by 4. But here she got only 3/4. So we had to find out how many marks she got. So what we will do? 90. Is it 90? 3/4? Let's find whether it is 90 or 80 or 60. How much mark do you want in mathematics test, children?
100.
100 out of 100. Yes, you don't want 3/4. Yes. So let us find out this Seema, how much she got in mathematics test. Are you ready? Yes. So children, this is word problem. So we had to start with steps. We had to write with all the steps. Don't write only the answer.
Like total number of marks and all.
We will write here total marks of the mathematics test. Total marks. Total marks of the mathematics test.
Now we can write maths test.
Test. Total mark is given by 100.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Like total marks.
Ma'am, we can write maths test.
I cannot hear who is speaking now.
Ma'am, Srirudra is asking we can write maths test.
Math test or mathematics, no problem. But in your question, it was written mathematics test. That's why we have written like that. Okay, so what we had to do the next? How much marks she has scored? We had to write marks scored
by Seema.
marks scored by
Seema.
That is what we have to find out. So we have the clue. What is that? 3 by 4 of the maximum mark. Which is the maximum mark?
100.
So we had to find out 3/4 of 100. Now you know? Yes? How to find out 3 by 4 of 100. 3 by 4. Instead of we will do multiply. Yes? 100. Find out the answer. 300 divided by 4. That much marks she will get. Hmm. Yes.
Scored by Seema that we should write 3 by 4 of 100.
Yes, because we don't know the marks. We had to find out. Yes. So here what is given about the marks? It is given 3/4 of 100. 3 by 4 of 100. So 3 by 4 times 100. Find out the answer. 300 divided by 4. Yes, what? 30 divided by 4. What is 30 divided by 4? How many times 4 can be taken from 30? Yes.
7.
7. 7 into 4 is 28. 7 fours are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Bring down 0. So 20. 20 divided by 4. 4 times?
5.
4 times are 20. Yes, correct answer. So Shima got how many marks out of 100?
75.
75. Okay, so we can write here. Therefore, Seema scored 75 marks. Therefore, Seema scored 75 marks. This is the last step we can write. So here we got 75. So Catherine was expecting at least it will be 90 marks, but she didn't get that much mark. Yes?
Ma'am, I was close.
You was close. Yes, you said 80?
80, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
But you people don't want this mark. Yes, you want 100 out of 100 for mark. Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes, Catherine is
Ma'am,
asking
yeah.
something.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
or we should write capital letter.
Where?
Ma'am, you have written capital.
No problem, my dear. It was like, you can write small letter, no problem. The Seema, you have to write capital, yes. Other thing you know. Therefore, Seema scored 75 marks.
Ma'am, we don't want 4 by 3 or 4 by 2.
We want 4 by 4. Yes, Achut.
Yes, ma'am.
We don't want 3 by 4. We don't want half. You know half will be how much? If she's getting half of the mark, that is 100 divided by 2. What will be her mark?
50. 50.
Yes, very good. So half of 100 is equal to 50 and 3 by 4 is 75 and 4 by 4 is the full mark. 100 out of 100. Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Asad. Read next question, question number 18. Yes, Asad.
1 by 2 of a packet of 40 chocolates is distributed in a class. Find the number of chocolates distributed.
Yes, half of the packet of 40 chocolates is distributed in the class. Find the number of chocolates distributed. Half of 40, you know?
20.
20, very easy, but we have to write with the steps. We know 40, what is the half of 40? We know already before finding out, it's that much easy. Yes, so what we will write?
Padini.
Total number of chocolates. We will start with the steps. Yes, so children, which is this question number?
18th question number.
18, yes, question number 18. Total number of chocolates. Total number of chocolates is given by 40. What we will write the step? Look at the question and tell me. Distributed in the class. Yes, number of chocolates distributed.
Class.
Simply you can write number of chocolates distributed. Someone's audio is not muted. Please mute your device. Number of chocolates distributed. Number of chocolates distributed. Number of chocolates is distributed. It's not given, but it is given. What is the given? Half of. What is the full here? That is the total number of chocolates. That is 40. So find out the answer. Half instead of you will do multiply.
I'm finished.
Finished. Find out the answer. So 40 divided by 2. Which is equal to 20. 20 what? Chocolates. So we can write here. Therefore, 20 chocolates are distributed in the class. Therefore, 20 chocolates. Therefore, 20 chocolates are distributed in the class. Okay, therefore, 20 chocolates are distributed in the class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ah,
Can you show the first sentence?
first sentence. Yes, that is total number of chocolates. Total number of chocolates equal to 40. Then only we have two sentences. Total number of chocolates, that is 40. Then what is the second sentence? Number of chocolates distributed. So what we have to do? Half of 40, that is equal to 20. Therefore, 20 chocolates are distributed in the class.
Ma'am, can you tell the truth?
So Achud, are you ready?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So how you will teach?
Wait, talking.
Talking. So no
Yeah.
need screen sharing, nothing. Yes.
No, ma'am.
So you can for seminar and all, if you have not done, yes, you have done.
Yeah, ma'am. I had done in the first seminar.
So that seminar you can use this any like multiplication any or also. Then have you all completed this?
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ready for yes, Achud, you can start.
Yeah, ma'am.
Was calling you.
Ah?
Catherine was calling you.
Yes, Catherine.
Ma'am, Adira was telling something to you.
Ah?
I didn't finish.
Okay, okay. Now, yes, Achud, you can start. Yes.
Ma'am, that's very common trick.
Common trick.
Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, for 8 multiplied by 1 is 8.
Yes.
And 2, ma'am, I told opposite. Ma'am, my cousin told me this trick, so they learned like this 8 multiplied by 1 like that.
Okay. So you can revise and come prepared for the next class.
Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am, I will tell you.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can you share the board?
Niran not finished till now? Niran, only?
ma'am,
Yes.
1 by 8 is 1 by 8 is 8.
Hmm.
It's 0, 8. For this trick, we want to do it 0, 8.
Yes.
And next 8 by 2. After 0, 1 will come on the tens place, and 8 that we want to minus 2 and go. That's 16.
Okay. So,
And here 0, 1, 2, 3 like that it will go till 8 multiplied by 5.
so here 4 times 8, 32. So, mean here 0, 1, 2, 3 and
Yeah,
here
ma'am.
you can second digit you can subtract 2, 2. Yes. Is it
Yeah,
so?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. 4 into 5 it times 8. So it will be 4. Yes.
And
Then?
after that, 1 place will be again repeated from 8.
Okay.
And but 48, 4 will be repeated one time.
One time. Okay. 7 times 8,
56.
56.
56. 8 times 8,
64.
64.
54. Okay. 9 times 8, 72. 10 times 8, 80. So children, did you understand the trick that Achut was sharing? See children, here 1 into 8, that's first digit, he is starting with 0. Then look at the ones place 8 and it decreases by 2. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Again we'll start 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Okay, then here look at the tens place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again 4 will be repeated one time, then 5, 6, 7, 8. This was the trick. Did you understand the trick?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I have a trick for 9. I have a trick.
9?
Yes, ma'am. I have a trick.
9 is the simplest.
Okay, 9. Okay, so 9, I think we don't have time. So I will quickly share that. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. So children, for table of 9, we have many tricks. Yes. 9 into 1. 9 twos are. I want to take the attendance, children. By the time will be over. 9 times 4. 9 times 5. What we have to do? 9 times 6. Again, what we will do?
I mean, it will be just ascending and descending order.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here is increasing order, that is ascending, and the ones digit will be descending. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, now children, please check again. When you add these two digits, tens place and unit place, what you will get? What you will get? 9. 0, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. Everything will be 9. Yes?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
That we can discuss later, but no time. Okay, so what here now? First tens place we will write in ascending order. The second digit we will write in descending order. But when you add the unit place and the tens place, the two digits, when you add, always you will get 9. We are discussing till table of 10 only.